Hello. Yeah, hi guys. So today in this problem, means we have a binary array. Okay. So binary array means which can have only two types of element, means zero and one. And the problem is actually we have to sort this binary array in a linear time, means linear time complexity. So you can say if we have a n elements in an array, we have to sort in a big of n time, right? So we have a different sorting algorithms. We have like quick sort, which gives us a time complexity of big of n log n. So right, but here in this problem is we have to sort this binary array in linear time. Okay, so here means I am just initializing the array with some dummy values I am putting. Okay, so here means I am following the two pointer approach. So okay, so I'm taking two pointers, one is from left side and other one is from right side. Okay, and I will iterate over the array. So I will iterate till left pointer is less than the right pointer. Okay, so if at 0th position we have a 0, then I will straightway increment the left pointer. And if in the right side means if I have a 1 like this, then I will decrement the right pointer. I will increment the left and decrement the right. Okay, so first condition I will put, I will check means if we have a 0 at left pointer, then straight away means I will increment that one. Okay, same I will do for the right pointer. Okay, mm, so here I will decrement because I have to move left right. Okay, and now I need a condition means where I will swap the elements. Okay, so suppose means I have 1 over here and 0 over here, and I have to swap right so that 0 can come before. So I'm sorting this array in a ascending order. Okay, so we can do vice versa also, but just we need to change this swap condition. Okay, so here I am checking means if I have a left value is greater than right, at that time I will swap. Okay, uh, so this one condition just I'm uh, checking is if at any time is left pointer can become greater than right pointer in inside of this while loop. So this will restrict that condition. Okay, so here means I can declare the temp variable also. The simple approach we have to swap two elements, right? Or here means actually we have two elements 0 and 1. I can straightway put also 1 and 0, but I'm following the same old approach to swap the elements. Okay, so in here right I will put the temp, and I will increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer. Okay, so this is the logic to sort the array. So this is just a loop where I will display the element if it is sorted or not. Okay, just saving, and I think we can see here. uh, just a minute, I think we have missed something. Hmm, so right pointer I have started from here. Oh sorry, here I need to put up one, then I can start. Okay, so you can see I think it is sorted. Yeah, you can see, I will insert dummy value, more dummy values, uh, and one over here, and again running the program. Yeah, you can see it's a in a ascending order. Okay, so I can try one more approach, that is simple one. So in that case means I will just count the number of zeros we have. uh, just declaring the variable, initializing it to 0. And firstly, in this loop I will count the number of zeros till length, okay. If that array element is 0, then I will increment c c0, okay. Right. And in another loop, means I can place the element till length, not hash code till length, okay. uh, okay, c0 up to this, and just I'm putting the elements till we have a not here. I will put one, okay. So this is the second approach. It's just counting the number of zeros, okay. Running the program, yeah, this is just a simple flow. You can solve it with this whatever. So yeah, so this is all, guys.